Get ready and start. These writ petitions under Article 226 of the Constitution raise several important questions of law concerning the interpretation of provisions of the Real Estate Start Regulation and Development Clause Act 2016, hereafter the Act, as well as the Haryana Real Estate Regulation and Development Rules 2017, hereafter the Haryana rules stop. In some of these petitions, a challenge has been raised to the constitutional validity of the proviso to section 43 within bracket 5 of the Act, and correspondingly the orders passed by the Real Estate Appellate Tribunal, hereinafter Appellate Tribunal, rejecting the prayer of the petitioners for waiver of the pre-deposit for entertaining the appeal against an order of either the Real Estate Regulatory Authority or the adjudicating officer, as the case may be. The appellate tribunal has, while rejecting such prayer, extended the time for making the pre-deposit stop. The further prayer in these petitions is that given the undue hardship faced by the petitioners, the aforesaid order of the appellate tribunal should be interfered with by this court in exercise of its jurisdiction under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, and the appellate tribunal be directed to entertain the petitioners' appeals without insisting on the pre-deposit stop. In some of the petitions, a challenge has been laid to Rule 28 and 29 of the Haryana rules, as well as to forums CRA and CAO as amended by the Haryana Real Estate Regulation and Development Amendment Rules 2019, notified on 12th September 2019, Haryana Amendment Rules 2019, as being ultra vires the Act stop. The further issue urged in these petitions concerns the scope and jurisdiction of the authority and the AO respectively in relation to complaints under the Act stop. In these petitions, there is a corresponding prayer for quashing the orders passed by the authority as being without jurisdiction stop. Lastly, an issue is raised as regards to the applicability of the Act retroactively to organizing projects stop. It is sought to be contended by some of the petitioners that the relevant provisions of the Act, insofar as they seek to apply retroactively to ongoing projects, are bed in law stop. Challenge to the proviso to section 43 within bracket 5 of the Act stop. The court first proposes to address the challenge to the proviso to section 43 within bracket 5 of the Act, which mandates the making of a pre-deposit in the circumstances outlined therein for the appellate tribunal to entertain an appeal against the order of either the authority or the AO. Section 43 reads thus: